All right, so let's go on to question number 2 on test 1. It says vector A has a length two units and directed to the north. Vector B has a length of 5 units and is directed to the south. Calculate the magnitude and direction of vector A minus vector B. We have our options A, B, and C, and D, which is 3 units north, 7 units north, 7 units south, and 3 units south. All right, so let's read this. So it says vector A has a length of 2 units and directed to the north. Vector B has a length of 5 units and is directed to the south. Calculate the magnitude and direction of vector A minus B. So this is a very easy question. So not much to it. Just says vector A has 2 units minus vector B is going to the south. So we know that it's south, so it should be -5 south. And if it's going north, think of it above and below the x-axis. What's above is positive, what's below is negative. So 5 units south, that'll be -5. This becomes 2 plus 5, 7. So magnitude will be 7, and we know that our 7 is a positive, so it's moving towards the north. So the answer will be 7 units to the north. So it will be B.